Climbing Chalk explained. Grip your way to success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic, especially for those of you interested in outdoor sports and language learning. We're talking about climbing chalk. This is not just about climbing. It's about understanding a key element that makes climbing safer and more enjoyable. So, let's chalk up and start our learning journey. Climbing chalk is a substance used by climbers to dry their hands. It's typically made from magnesium carbonate, a compound that effectively absorbs moisture. This drying effect provides a better grip on the climbing holds, which is crucial for safety and performance. Chalk is available in various forms, such as loose powder, blocks, and balls. Understanding its composition and use is vital for climbers of all levels. The use of chalk in climbing dates back to the 1950s. It was first popularized by climbers in Europe and gradually became a global standard. The introduction of chalk marked a significant advancement in climbing techniques and safety. It enabled climbers to attempt more challenging routes with increased confidence. This section of the video will explore its historical significance and how it revolutionized the sport. Using climbing chalk effectively is an art in itself. It's not just about slapping it on your hands. There's a proper technique for applying it to ensure maximum efficiency. This section will provide step-by-step guidance on how to apply chalk, how much to use, and the different methods suited for various climbing situations. While climbing chalk is essential for climbers, it's also important to discuss its environmental impact. Chalk residue can often be seen on rocks, which raises concerns about its effect on natural landscapes. We'll explore the eco-friendly alternatives and best practices that climbers can adopt to minimize their ecological footprint. And that wraps up our exploration of climbing chalk. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this simple yet crucial component of climbing. Remember, climbing safely and responsibly is key. Happy climbing and learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.